At 70, my grandma still looks as young as 35, and her secret is simply aloe vera. You don't need to spend thousands of dollars on cosmetics and supplements. Just a single aloe vera plant can already make a real difference for your skin. As we get older, our skin often becomes less firm and starts to sag. But don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you how to make aloe vera oil right at home. Its benefits are many, from moisturizing and soothing the skin to helping slow the signs of aging and calming irritation, leaving your skin healthier and more radiant each day. So, grab a notebook to jot down this recipe and be sure to give it a try for yourself. To begin, prepare a fresh aloe vera leaf with plenty of juicy flesh and gently rinse it clean. Aloe vera has long been treasured as a natural skin ally. It deeply hydrates, soothes irritated areas, and is rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and antioxidants that help slow the signs of aging, brighten the skin, and improve elasticity. When preparing aloe vera, the most important step is to remove the yellow sap called aloin, as it can cause itching skin irritation and a bitter taste. Add a pinch of salt to the water, then soak the aloe vera in this diluted salt solution for at least 2 hours. During this process, you'll notice the water gradually turning a light yellow or amber color. This shows that the toxic sap has been fully released from the aloe leaf. After that, rinse the aloe vera thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining salt and sap. This step makes the inner gel safer and purer to use, ensuring the best results when caring for your skin and hair. Once the yellow sap has been removed, the next step is to separate and collect the clear aloe gel. When preparing the aloe, start by trimming off the sharp spines along both edges of the leaf. This makes it easier and safer to peel while keeping the gel intact. Next, carefully cut away the thick green skin on the outside. As the peel comes off, you'll reveal the smooth, clear, jelly-like flesh inside. This is the nutrient-rich gel we're looking for. Aloe gel is packed with water and vitamins, helping to deeply hydrate, soothe the skin after sun exposure, support the healing of minor irritations, and slow the signs of aging. With regular use, your skin can feel softer, smoother, and more youthful each day. Next, cut the aloe flesh into small pieces about 1/2 inch each. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps the cooking and extraction process go faster and more evenly. Have you ever used aloe vera to care for your skin? If so, share your experience in the comments so everyone can learn from it. After cutting the aloe into smaller pieces, gently separate the clear gel from any bits of skin that remain. This way, you'll have pure, clean, and nutrient-rich aloe gel ready for the next steps of preparation. Place all of the separated gel into a clean bowl. This clear gel is truly the heart of the aloe. It's packed with vitamins, enzymes, and natural antioxidants that bring wonderful benefits for both your skin and hair. Now we need to prepare a carrier oil. Aloe vera itself doesn't produce oil. So to create aloe vera oil, we combine the gel with a carrier oil such as olive oil or almond oil. These oils not only help preserve the nutrients, but also act as a medium to carry the vitamins and antioxidants from aloe deep into the skin and hair, creating a multi-purpose, gentle, and effective nourishing oil. Here, I'm choosing olive oil. Pour in enough olive oil to fully cover the aloe vera pieces. When blended, olive oil, rich in vitamin E, helps fight free radicals, soften and nourish the skin, while aloe provides hydration, soothing, and renewal. This combination creates a wonderful skin-nourishing blend that supports a healthy, smooth, and radiant complexion. The next step is to gently heat the chopped aloe gel together with the olive oil using a double boiler method. Place the bowl with the mixture over a pot of gently boiling water so the steam surrounds it with steady heat. As it warms, stir lightly to help the aloe essence blend into the oil. This double boiler method allows the aloe gel to infuse fully with the carrier oil, extracting the nutrients while keeping the mixture pure and gentle. Do you have any traditional tips or home remedies with aloe vera? Don't hesitate to share them so everyone can learn from one another. Your valuable experiences might help many people discover simple, natural, and safe ways to care for their skin or health right from their own kitchen. After about 20-30 minutes, once the aloe gel starts to shrink, turns clearer, and the oil gives off a gentle aroma, that's the moment you can turn off the heat. After heating, let the mixture rest for 1 to 2 hours, then strain it to collect the clear oil. This is your aloe vera oil, a natural, nutrient-rich ingredient, packed with vitamin C, vitamin E, beta-carotene, and amino acids. Aloe vera oil helps moisturize, soften, and restore dry skin while also supporting healthy aging, reducing the look of fine lines and encouraging new cell renewal. Using it is very simple. Just take a small amount of aloe vera oil, apply it evenly and gently, massage it into your skin. You'll immediately feel its cooling, softening effect. The oil absorbs quickly, helping to lock in moisture, soothe dry areas, and support the recovery of minor skin damage. With regular use, your skin will gradually look healthier, smoother, and naturally radiant, safe, gentle, and full of life. To keep the oil pure and at its best, store it in a clean glass jar in a cool, dry place. With this method, the oil can stay fresh for several weeks to a few months. It will become a reliable companion, helping you care for smooth skin and nourish healthy, beautiful hair every day. Beyond its benefits for skin and hair, aloe vera oil also offers many other wonderful uses. You can gently massage it onto sore muscles or stiff joints. Its natural soothing and anti-inflammatory qualities may help ease discomfort, reduce swelling, and bring a calming sense of relaxation. Thanks to this versatility, aloe vera oil becomes an ideal companion supporting both your health and beauty in a safe, natural way. And there you have it. We've just finished making simple yet versatile aloe vera oil. With just one small jar, you can nourish your skin and support your health in a natural, gentle way. Alongside this, remember to keep a diet rich in vegetables, drink enough water, and stay active with light daily exercise. The combination of healthy habits and natural remedies will help you stay flexible and youthful for years to come. Please note the recipe in this video is for reference only and is not a substitute for medical advice or professional guidance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss more natural health tips every day. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you good health and peace. See you in the next video.